you're so great, standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
Seven years and I'm still waiting. My love is burning in the cold. I find a way to keep my faith in, 'cause you convince me to hold on. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go. I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing, nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. You go, and I keep falling in slow motion. Nothing on you. Tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool.
Away in the night, well, sometimes it just feels right. Possessed by the moonlight, well, sometimes you let it in, sometimes you'll get it. Don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Don't cross the line. Let the temperature rise now. Here in the moonlight. Don't wait for the sun. Don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me. Just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how. Assume I'm right. Sometimes just let it. Sometimes just let it. Don't wait for the sun. Don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me. Just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how.
Hi guys, thanks for being here with me today. I hope you're all doing well. The base, let's talk about the base. It's a mixture of all my scrapings or the drippings that I collect in a big tub, all the darker colours. I collect the lighter colours in one and the darker colours in another. So you always get a kind of a grey shade. And then I mixed it with a mistint, which was a bluey grey. And I also added a little bit of just normal black acrylic, just to give you a little bit of depth. So it's dark bluey grey. I think it's a quite nice colour. And this size is a 15-inch MDF round. And I wasn't sure which orientation at first, but I like it this way. I think it looks like some kind of fantasy flower that you see on Avatar or something. I think it's I like it that way. Okay then guys, so please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like it, please hit the like button and share. And thank you for all the lovely comments as usual. You're all amazing. Thank you so much. And everybody stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.